wow. Holy shit. That's a lot of orange. Dang. Good morning, everybody. Nice to have you back. Well, today's Sunday adventure on the Triumph Speed Twin is I am going to the California Antelope Valley Poppy Reserve. Whether or not I go in the park or not, I don't know yet. I hear it's just as good if you stay outside of the park. So we'll see about that. But I'm first going to stop off at my buddy's restaurant, have some breakfast. And I won't bore you with the 5 Freeway North drive. I'll pick it back up here in a second. Okay guys, we are off the 5 Freeway. We are in Santa Clarita, headed to my buddy's restaurant, Cathy's Deli, to get some nice breakfast. And then from there, we'll go to the Antelope Valley Poppy Reserve, take a look at some orange flowers, drive around, see how it is. Never been there before. And we are here. And I'm sure it's busy. Oh, look at this nice parking spot I have. This is amazing. I may have to wait for a while. It looks busy. All right, I am back. My belly is full. Had a great breakfast. I've lived in California for over a decade, and the majority of that time has been drought, and the poppies have not been blooming for the most part. And the last few years are the last few years they have been blooming pretty well. You may have seen stories on the news possibly that they saw these from space. So I'm going to take Bouquet Canyon, I think I'm pronouncing that right, kind of zigzag my way through, get up to the Antelope Valley area, and I may not go into the Poppy Reserve, but I'm going to go around it, get some shots, drive around, see how it looks, take some pictures, take you guys along with me. Should be quite fun. But enough of this boring city street crap. I'll pick you guys up when the road gets cool. Entering the Angeles National Forest. Now the roads will start getting good. Oh, jeez, water? Dumb. Oh. I love the torque on this Triumph. It's so nice. I gotta get around this guy. I might have to do an illegal pass, because I like going fast. Last time I was up in this area, it's been a while, I was renting a Harley Sportster. Thanks, buddy. And that Harley Sportster was horrible. That particular one I rented was one of those 72 sparkly, horribly set up for this kind of riding at least. This is a much better bike for this. This is a fun road. I remember scraping peg on the Harley constantly, and I remember I wasn't going this fast. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yay, thanks, biatch. Thanks, lady. Whoever. Oh, yeah, nice curve right before that happened, too. That's awesome. Oh, what the fuck was that in the road? So I took Chase on Two Wheels' recommendation for some GoPro settings. I am using the GoPro 7. He was using, I believe, the 6. But we'll see how they look. 24 frames a second, 4K Super View. And I did swap out my mic temporarily to try. I actually have an iPhone earbuds microphone, where I cut the earbuds off. I've seen good results on YouTube with it. We'll see how it sounds when I get back. Ooh, a trike. I could never do that, man. This is boring. That's beautiful looking. Oh, look at this dust. That's sketchy. A lot of sand on this stretch here. Definitely getting closer. If you can see off in the distance, I see a little bit of orange up there. Jesus, lady. How is a Volvo a stick? I don't picture that being a stick. I'm going. I would have to say they're blooming. That's no question. Oh, you're not supposed to walk in there, man. Oh, whatever. That is a vibrant orange. That is for sure. Yeah, that's pretty fucking cool. But we'll just drive around here for a while and see if we can get some good shots. Come on, guy. Apparently a helicopter landed in the reserve and everyone's all pissed off about it, as they should be. Oh man, look at all these cars. This is insane traffic. This is crazy. Look at all that orange though, damn. Pretty amazing. Just gotta... Come on. Oh, what a... Fuck you, man. There's definitely not going to be any good parking. As you can probably see, this is insane. And that orange is amazing. I'm going to see if I can find a place to kind of hide out and drone a little bit. We'll see. Come on, dummy.
Well, thank you everyone for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.